Thank you so much. I'm your brother, this is great. It is important the Labour Party calls Amaobi Ogah to order. Amaobi Ogah is the House of Rep member representing Isukwato Umunochi Federal Constituency in Abia State. Whatever happens to Amaobi Ogah, whether he's under the influence of Mkpurumiri or there's another substance that is affecting him, Amaobi Ogah should know that he has a limit. This rascality should not continue. What happened to Amaobi Ogah? That the news report is saying he's advising P2B to accept the outcome of the election. That whosoever is declared winner, that person is the will of God.
That industrial action. We'd like to thank you. We appreciate your time. Dr. Topper Faswa, an economist. Thanks for joining us on the program. We'll move on to other stories now. A member of the House of Representatives, Amaobi Ogah, has admonished Nigerians, especially the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, to accept the outcome of the polls till God or the court says otherwise, saying that all winners of the just concluded general elections have the backing of God. Mr. Ogah, who represents Isukwato Umunochi Federal Constituency of Abia State in the 10th Assembly, gave this charge shortly after his Thanksgiving service in Isukwato local government area. Also speaking during the Thanksgiving, the governor of the state regretted the poor state of the road, promising to prioritize access roads.
Once you're in this politics, don't lose hope. Don't think that if you don't win today, you will not win again. And once somebody has won the election, to be a good sportsperson, you must give the person support. For me, like I said earlier, last week, that trended all over the world. When I told the people, elections have come and gone. Now it's about governance. And whoever God has given that mandate to represent the people, you must respect that institution. Because today, why I'm representing you is that institution that brought me to this place. So for that reason, and that is why I always say, whoever that is in that seat, give the person that support. Until either court said otherwise or God said otherwise. We must put Nigeria first. Nigeria is more important than anybody. Is more important than me. In fact, let's leave that for another day, but I can tell you, it's only God that gives power.
What type of nonsense is this young man talking about? What is the meaning of this rascality? We should accept the outcome. It's the will of God. Nigeria is more important than anybody. Where will this lead us to? Who asked you to tell us how important Nigeria is? That's why the nation is not moving forward. You rig election, you call God. We must continue to go around in circle with impunity, no rule of law. You compromise the process, you say it's the will of God. What nonsense is this? If not for P2B, will Amaobi Ogah win election? Who knows him? No matter the platform, whether APC or PDP, Amaobi Ogah cannot win election without the grace that P2B brought to Labour Party. For him now to be running his mouth, he's now advising us. If you did not win today, you will win tomorrow. You must always accept the outcome of the election and consider it the will of God. What type of nonsense is that? Who is asking Amaobi of his opinion? Who gave him authority to advise P2B of what P2B will do? He forgot that the mandate does not belong to P2B. It belongs to the Nigerian people. Labour Party should immediately call Amaobi to order. They may have influenced him. They may have bought him over. But let him respect himself and not toil with the sweat of the Nigerian people and not toil with the blood of the Nigerian people. Many people died because of this election. They voted for a new Nigeria. They suffered in an effort to produce a new Nigeria. Then one will be talking like a rascal. We should accept the outcome of the election. It's the will of God. What do you know about God? So this nonsense, let the Labour Party call Amaobi Ogah to order. Let him not try this again. It is important. He is called to order without further delay. He has been running his mouth, saying all manner of things against the mandate of the people. For whatever reason, for whatever interest. But he is taking it too far. Let him not go further. Nigerians have reached a point of no return. A new Nigeria is possible, and the time is now. Please share this video and subscribe to this channel. God bless you.